Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I've got today in my shop 2015 Toyota Prius V with 90,000 miles. And the owners of this Prius like to spend a lot of time in the nature on the weekends, going on the trails and in the wilderness. So they have decided to put the lift on it. They asked me if I will be willing to install it for them. So I said, yes, no problem. You can purchase the whole thing and I will put it on. So they brought today this small box, which should have all the stuff for the front and rear lift. You can see how it comes when you order it. That's a front, it's for the top struts, and this is, I believe, under the rear coil spring. We will see. Here is bunch of nuts, promotions, pan. Here is the Prius off-road brochure maybe, or whatever, get lifted. So, I have that one video on this channel already. If you want to see the detail install, you can go on their page. They have every single model and generation filmed on their page too, so I don't think I need to do that step by step. But let's measure what will be the difference before the install and after. I am curious, you are curious, everybody's curious here what the difference it will do. So I drove the vehicle in. We will go across the center of the wheel, and I can tell you, I can see 26 and 5/8. Let me write it down. And what it will be in the back before this install. Let's see. I'll just try not to get in your way. I'm not sure if I can keep it that way, but it is 26 and 7/8 right down here. And this is the view of the vehicle from the side as it arrived today. I will keep the camera and this tripod in exactly same spot, and I want to show you the difference after I will be finished. This is how it came off the lift just a minute ago. Just a little update from the work. So this is what you have to remove. It's all over my garage floor. These are the parts. That's the windshield wipers, and here is the strut from this driver side, and here are those spacers, so you can see it nicely. They have it marked, so they are on top of it, these guys who are selling it. Basically it's printed here. There is a D as a driver, and they put a sticker even passenger, but there is a P here, and they say clearly these arrows on both installs need to be pointing to the passenger side. So I already know this is my driver, and there's no any mistake. It will go on top of it like so. And here will be a quick shot of the back. This is the spacer for the rear. Other than that, you are reusing everything. There's no nuts supplied or needed. So spacer here, it's already installed, it's in the place. Hopefully you can see it there. This is without the spacer. Just pay attention, orientation of the spring and everything. Because you are pulling down on that entire axle down, this arm. I disconnected this so I don't rip it right in this area. There's wire. And now I need to start using the support after I will replace both sides, obviously, I will start pushing it up so I can connect that rear shock back in this mount. This is how it came off the lift just a minute ago. Obviously I will go on the test drive. We'll see if the suspension will settle, if it will go a little bit down, and then only after that we can do the measurement. And here we are after the test drive. So I'm really curious. I have my notepad here. Let's see what the front did. Through the center. See the difference. Oh, it's a 27 and 7/8. 27 and 7/8. So this is more than 1 inch. It's 1 inch and something. Let's see the rear. It's a 28 and 3/8. 28 and 3/8. So the rear seems to be lifted 28 at this moment, and it might go down obviously, but at this moment the rear seems to be lifted a little bit more than the front. But I like it. The vehicle obviously drives kind of different. I will say it was kind of like boaty feeling on the test drive. I did it here only in the city around a few blocks, but it was pretty funny. Kind of soft and nice. So here you got it, my friend. That was the lift by the Prius Offroad from the installation instructions. It's for 2010 to 2015 Prius, 2010 to 2015 plug-in, and 2010 to 2017 Prius V. This one is the 2015. So what I will say as a conclusion, I believe they claim somewhere, oh yeah, installation time approximately front 2 hours, rear 1 hour. I will say maybe somebody who did it a few times, yeah. If you do it ever first time, you don't regularly work on the cars or on your Prius, you never remove that front windshield wipers and that cowl and everything, I will say it will be longer. And depends also how many good tools you have. I had a lift, I have a shop here, it's a way different story. But totally doable. On the other hand, I'm not trying to discourage you the other way. It's perfectly fitting. This is a high quality product, in my opinion. As a little hiccup, when you are putting the passenger side, the CV axle cannot go lower. So from now on, anytime you put the vehicle on the lift, the CV axle is hitting the frame. It wasn't like that before. It's not on the driver's side, but it's on the passenger. So I had to work with it, figure out how to press the strut up, because I couldn't move the lower control arm lower. I was already pushing on that CV axle. There's a long one, it's like a really wide one. Unusual one. So other than that, normal tools, I will still recommend it. I think if I have a Prius and I go camping, I will probably buy it and install it. I did the one on this channel. It was 2010 Prius. You can see the video. I know these guys are super happy with it. It was the same product, little bit different vehicle. To me, I did it probably a year ago. To me, it looked exactly the same. I don't see the difference, but oh yeah, it's not, because it's 2010 Prius, so it was exactly the same. Yeah, they recommend it, I will put it on my own. So hopefully you find this video helpful. Enough of talking. I will let you go. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Give a thumb up if you like it and be subscribed. I have way more videos coming your way very soon. See ya.